we're about to make coffee. We're gonna use this for it. I'm excited. I'm making marshmallow cold foam.
Best YouTuber ever.
I don't know if that's gonna work. Let me just lower you. Oh my god, I only have 59 minutes left in this memory card and I have to obviously change it out, but I always hate that this thing is like off center and I can't really see. It's actually annoying. We are dressed and ready to go for the day. I can't see a thing and this light is actually blinding. Anyway, only got 58 minutes left on this memory card, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. This is my outfit for the day. This is just what I'm wearing. I have on leggings. And I have on this sweater that came in a set from Amazon, and I just wanted to wear something like cozy, and this is what I have on. I'm actually gonna take this off and put a hat on, maybe some glasses, because yeah, I have no makeup on or lashes or anything. My nails, I just took my nails off. I did not file them down. I literally just took them off, and I just filed down my toes, like my poly gel. So those are ready to go. I don't do my nails and my feet on the same day just because it takes me a long time. And for my toes, I'm literally like hunched over and it hurts my back. So I'm like, yeah, no. So what I will do is probably my nails today. A little bit later on, I have to go to the store. I have to get like, what is it called? Toothpicks? Floss. I have to get floss for my braces. I have to get mouthwash. I have to get our ornament. I have to pick up sneakers from Kids Foot Locker. They weren't ready yesterday when I went to go get them, so I don't know if that's going to be a today thing or a tomorrow thing. I have to go get not the ornament. Yeah, I do have to go get the ornament, but those are in 2 different locations, so it's 2 different malls that we have to go to. And I'm trying to think of anything else I have to do. I have to pick up my freaking prescription that I've tried to pick up for literally like a week, and I just keep forgetting. Like every time I go there, I forget, or they are packed and I can't do it. I was looking for my memory card because I was like, where's my other one? It's right here. I completely forgot that I had this memory card, but yeah, I found it. Anyway, I just realized like when I took pictures last week where I put my memory card, because I was like, where the heck is it? So I'm gonna do my nails and stuff a little bit later. I have to go pick them up. I don't know. I'm debating on whether or not I just want to do like a French and then just do like a little cute holly on my nail or something, and then that will really be it. Like, or yeah, either holly or cherries. I don't know, because last year I feel like I did like a present kind of thing. I gotta figure that out. I don't know. Or if I want square nails, or if I want almond shape. I gotta figure it out. So yeah, I'm just happy that my toes are like for the most part done, because they were looking insane. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, my toes were looking crazy. But now that that's done and out the way, y'all have seen me with Bonnet Chronicles because I have not done my hair. I put oil in my hair last night, so I have to wash it today too. Oh, I have to do so much stuff. I don't even know what time it is. Maybe it's like 3. I gotta figure out what time it is. Hold on. Time check. It is 2:23. This is from my family pictures. I gotta figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day because it's kind of late, but not super late, and it's Sunday today, so the mall closes a little bit later than normal, which is good for us. And yeah, I gotta figure out what the heck I'm doing. Yeah, now my prescription warned me like 2 days, girl. Let us go. Let me put a hat on and some glasses so I can look like something, and I'll be back. Is that cuter? Because look. Okay, so I just got my glasses from Amazon. I think this hat is from Amazon as well. If it's not the same color white, you'll be okay. You just put this on just so I can look like something, like look somewhat put together, because I feel like I'm not wearing the bottoms to this. Oh my god, UGG has the cutest, like softest looking 2-piece sets. I saw them yesterday at Foot Locker. These, and there was another one that has like, you know, the outline of the UGG. I'll pop it in the screen, but they had that as well. I was like, this is very cute. So I have a few things in my mind that I want for Christmas, but nothing that I want so bad. Like I have to have this for Christmas. Like the brown Sambas I want to get, I'll pop those in the screen. I also think I want to get the UGG thing, and because I have that matching Uggs with that, I want to get the UGG thing, and I also want to get the like UGG 2-piece set. I gotta find out how much those cost because I really don't know. I just saw them yesterday in Foot Locker for the first time. What else do I want to get? Oh, it was in Foot Locker. It was JD Sports. What else do I want to get? A fur coat that I found at Nordstrom, which was very cute because I wanted to get them in Primark, but they don't have that anymore. But they have a brown zip-up one that's really, really nice, and it's not super expensive, and it will be after Christmas. Oh, and a Lululemon Define jacket in like that taupe color. I actually wanted it in chocolate brown, but I saw the girl say that last year they had it. They don't have it anymore. But the taupe color and like a black one would be good. So I mean, that's like my Christmas list went from like, oh, $100, $200 to like $500. That's why. Yeah. So this is just what I'm wearing for today. And yeah, I will take you guys with me when we're ready to go. I'm not going to bring this camera. I never bring this camera actually because it's just too much. But I just bring my DJI. Like honestly, this is for in the house whenever I want to vlog. But if I want to go out, it's just easier and more convenient for the DJI. So if you guys hear Santa in the background, I apologize. Oh my God, not Santa being crooked. Hold up. Santa be struggling. All right. So yeah, we will, let me start editing this video or this footage because it's like only a few minutes and then I will get back to you guys a little bit later. Bye.